Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most anticipated releases from Mercedes-Benz, the all-new 2024 CLE Class. This model is set to redefine luxury and performance in the coupe and convertible segments. So, let's get started. First up, let's talk about the design. The 2024 CLE Class seamlessly blends elegance with sporty aesthetics. Mercedes-Benz has positioned the CLE Class between the C-Class and D-Class, replacing the two-door variants of these models. The result? A fresh, dynamic design that captures attention on the road. At the front, you'll notice the signature Mercedes-Benz grille flanked by sleek LED headlights. The aggressive yet refined lines flow effortlessly along the body, culminating in a sporty rear end with LED taillights. The overall look is modern and sophisticated, perfectly balancing luxury and sportiness. Step inside, and the CLE Class continues to impress. The cabin is a blend of high-quality materials and advanced technology. The latest Box infotainment system takes center stage with dual 10.3-inch displays, providing a seamless user experience. You also get a new steering wheel design and enhanced upholstery options, ensuring that every drive is as comfortable as it is stylish. From advanced driver assistance systems to wireless charging and customizable ambient lighting, the CLE Class is packed with features designed to enhance your driving experience. Under the hood, the CLE Class offers a range of powertrains, including mild hybrid options for improved efficiency and performance. Whether you choose the CLE 300 or the more powerful CLE 450 4MATIC, you'll enjoy a smooth and responsive ride, thanks to the refined suspension system and precise handling. But it's not just about looks and luxury. The CLE Class is engineered to deliver an exhilarating driving experience. With options for all-wheel drive and rear-wheel steering, this car handles like a dream, whether you're cruising on the highway or navigating winding roads. Customization is key with the CLE Class. Mercedes-Benz offers a range of paint options, wheel designs, and interior trims, allowing you to tailor your CLE to your personal taste. This level of customization ensures that your CLE Class is truly one of a kind. To sum it up, the 2024 Mercedes-Benz CLE Class is a stunning addition to the luxury coupe and convertible market. With its blend of elegant design, advanced technology, and thrilling performance, it's set to be a game-changer. If you're in the market for a new luxury car, the CLE Class should definitely be on your radar. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more updates on the latest cars. Thanks for watching it, and we'll see you in the next video.